Gee, what a boring day. Nothing's going on. I mean, FaZe is doing his own thing. So is the rest of the gang. What could I do today? Oh! I know.
Okay. I think the portal is down this way.
Gee, it's been so long since I've been here. Huh. This place is so empty.
Almost empty.
Huh? Wait a minute. Who are you?
What do you mean? It's yours truly, Sonic the Hedgehog over here. Who else
Well-
would I be?
Well, that was obvious. But you seem a little different. Also, what are you doing on Eternatus? Don't you know that this is a dying planet?
Well, where's the fun in that, though? You know what I like doing.
Uh-huh.
Well, you're definitely not a Sonic that I've seen or heard of before.
So what are you doing here? I just came to explore the abandoned base.
Well, I also like to explore abandoned places. It's pretty spooky if you ask me.
Uh-huh.
Ooh.
Yeah, I just came here for the old memories and whatnot. What are you doing?
Never seen an Amy like you before.
I bet you haven't.
I say it is pretty interesting.
Uh-huh.
Hey!
Whoa! Whoa, you're pretty
Nice
strong.
try. Alright, buddy.
Ooh.
You're obviously not a normal Sonic. So who are you?
Well, what can I say? I'm everyone's favorite hero.
Yeah, right. I see that you have claws.
Oh yeah, you like them?
No. No, I don't.
Moving on from that. Alright, what do you want, buddy?
Well, I came over here, explore a bit, and hoping to find some fresh meat, if you know what I mean.
Well, you won't find any here. Everything here is pretty much dying. I just came to, again, look back at the memories.
Oh, you say I won't find any, but I already have found
I'm warning you, buddy. You better back off.
You know, you're pretty cute when you're so angry.
Oh, that's it! Ugh!
Oh! Oh! Oh!
I warned you. You better back off, pal.
Why would I back off? I'm just getting excited.
Creep.
Oh, don't act like you haven't tried to stalk me a few times. At least
No.
other Amy's have done it with Sonic.
No! No, I have not! In fact, You know what? That's not important right now. Ah! Alright. You're really starting to bug me.
Oh, am I? I have an act for that.
Like a damn mosquito.
A mosquito that you can't get rid of.
Oh, Take this! Alright. Alright. That ought to teach you not to mess with something that can easily, well, shock you. I don't like that.
Oh, this is getting pretty exciting, if you ask me.
Like all Sonics, you all like the thrill of adventure. But
You, on the other hand, are completely different.
Are you coming on to me?
ew, no.
In fact, I know many different Sonics who are way better than you. So what do you think of that?
Yeah, keep telling yourself that. Now, what was I doing again? Oh yeah.
Huh? Get off me!
That's it! Take this!
Clearly you can see that I'm very different from Amy's that you've encountered. I'm not afraid to kick a Sonic's ass if I have to.
And I like that. Make...
Oh god. Wendy's not gonna like you.
I don't know who that is though.
That's my Sonic, but I don't think that's any of your business.
And what was I doing again? Oh yeah, that's right.
Wait, what are you doing? That's it. You clearly haven't been tased enough to learn your lesson yet. Looks like I'm gonna have to shock you more.
So, take this! 3, 2, 1. Alright, buddy, what kind of Sonic are you? You bit me. Ugh, ouch. I'm gonna feel that for a while. Ugh.
Well.
Alright, what kind of a Sonic are you?
Well. I guess you could say I am a Sonic that takes joy into eating flesh from other Mobians.
Ugh, weirdo.
You sound just like everyone else.
Well, everybody else is right.
And yet I'm supposed to be the hero.
Listen, my Sonic!
He has to have blood. He's a vampire, but he's not a creep about it.
A creep? I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know where you're getting that idea from.
Alright, buddy. Let's get this done and over with. Huh?
Say no more.
Wait. Wait. Huh? Hold on. Just give me a second. Give me one moment. Alright. What is it, Timeless?
Lightning.
I'm kind of busy here.
Lightning, you left your phone back at the whole compound again.
Yeah?
A school for Harper called,
Again?
saying she got in another fight.
Go get Legacy to pick up Harper from the school.
Roger that.
Thanks. Timeless. Bye.
See you later.
So, you have a daughter?
Yeah, her name is Harper. She's a little tiger girl. I adopted her a while back.
Oh, okay. Now tell me, has anything ever bad happened to her?
Well, not on my watch. No.
Just saying. It'd be a real shame if something were to happen to her at the wrong place at the wrong time.
Why do you say that?
Oh, no reason. No reason at all.
Uh-huh. You know I'm gonna kick your ass, right?
Oh, I know you are. But that does lead me to one more question, though.
What?
I wonder what tigers taste like.
What? What did you just say? I don't think I
I'm
heard you
sorry.
right.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I strike a nerve? Cat got your tongue?
You know you did.
Ooh, now we're talking.
Take this! And that!
Take it back. Take it back right now, or I swear. Get over here! Take it back. Take it back right now! You are just getting me angrier and angrier. No one threatens my daughter. Hey, what you doing up there? Why don't you come down here and face me like the Sonic you are?
Maybe I will.
Now that's more like... You just never learn, do you? How about you take a bite of my fist to your face? Right. I've had enough of you. Alright. Now I'm gonna send you off. But before I do, I'm just gonna give you a little warning. I better not catch you near me or any of my friends ever again. And I especially better not catch you near my daughter. And if I do, I'm gonna give you a fate worse than death. I'm gonna paralyze you in your legs to make it to where you could never walk or run ever again. Do I make myself clear?
No promises.
Chaos control! It's over. Finally.
Well, that's over with. He's gone. I better get back to home base. Well,
Here I go.